I think the importance of meetings like this and buying organic food, it stems primarily from the fact that almost all the problems that we deal with today, whether it's cancer, obesity, lethargy, stress, anxiety, everything stems back to what we eat and what we put into our system. Um, on one hand, you can say that even non-vegetarianism or like meat should be organic. It should You should know where your meat comes from, what goes into your meat. As a vegetarian and as a vegan, I don't promote non-vegetarianism, but I think that even if you're going to do that, you need to make sure that you get it from organic sources. Now, when it comes to vegetables, those of us who don't eat meat, vegetables and millets and grains, these are where we get our most of our all of our nutrition from. And because of genetic modification, first of all, farmers are suffering because being a biotech student, I've learned so much about how these days seeds are modified to not produce viable seeds in the next generation. So the farmers have to keep going back and buying seeds because the seeds that come out from their crop are not viable. And how does this work? Because India, being an agricultural nation, is also facing the world's biggest agrarian crisis. For those of you who haven't watched it, I think you should watch this documentary called Nero's Guest. It will change your life and the way that we see agriculture in India. And also, organic food is really important because chemically, the chemicals that are used on the plant, they go into our system. So we have ridiculous levels of nitrogen, phosphorus flowing into the environment, causing eutrophication, um, killing aquatic ecosystems, and ruining soil for sustainable agriculture to be a reality in the future. So I think that initiatives like these, wherein consumers like us are in direct contact with the farmers, that's what India is about. That's what our culture is about. It's about meeting the people who give us the food, and we're a country that worships the ground that we walk on. We worship trees, we worship plants, we pray before we eat. And this is something that you'll see in almost every household. We eat on banana leaves. So these are all things that we shouldn't forget, that food, what we eat is what we are, what we eat is what we become. And if anyone is facing any kind of health problems, please look back to what you're eating, because you'll probably find the solution to that problem within your diet itself.